There are many people who dread going to the dentist and annual checkup and cleaning. Yet, regular visits to the dentist are crucial to maintain good oral health and to avoid major dental issues. The video below will talk about what to expect from a regular dental appointment and what it means to put your dental health first. Let's first discuss what a typical dental cleaning really involves. A typical dental checkup will see the dentist hygienist starts by looking at your gums and teeth to look in search of any indications of decay, tooth decay, gum or tooth decay. They'll also be looking whether there are any indications of oral cancer or problems that could arise. The examination is vital in identifying any issues earlier before they develop into worse. Your hygienist then employs special tools to get rid of tartar and plaque off your teeth. Plaque is a sticky layer that builds up on your teeth. It is a source of dangerous bacteria that could result in gum disease if they are not eliminated often. It is a hardened, swollen plaque that must be eliminated by a professional dentist. Through the removal of these materials, your dentist can avoid dental problems as well as keep your gums and teeth in good condition. After cleaning your teeth, your dental hygienist will floss each tooth to get rid of any leftover plaque or dirt. They can polish your teeth as well to eliminate surface stains and give you a more radiant, clean smile. In addition, they can offer advice about how you can enhance your routine for oral hygiene to maintain your good oral health throughout your dental visits. We've now explained the routine cleaning of your teeth. Let's examine why it's essential to prioritize the health of your mouth. A poor oral hygiene routine can result in a myriad of dental concerns, like gum disease, dental cavities, and even tooth loss. These issues do not just impact the condition of your teeth, but may be detrimental on overall health. The research has proven that bad oral health may be linked to serious medical ailments, including heart diseases or diabetes, as well as respiratory illnesses. When you regularly visit your dentist for cleanings and checks to catch any dental problems early and stop them from getting more severe. A dentist can also give you personalized recommendations about how to enhance your routine for oral hygiene to ensure good oral health. The proper care for your teeth and gums is a crucial component of overall well-being and health. Therefore, it's important to put your dental health first and ensure that regular visits to your dentist are the top essential part of your routine. Conclusion: routine cleanings of the teeth are a vital aspect of maintaining your oral health as well as preventing severe dental problems. If you attend regular appointments, ensure that your gums and teeth are in good condition and detect any potential issues earlier. Be sure to pay attention to your dental health and make regular visits to the dentist a must for a more healthy smile as well as a better you.